Welcome again to this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can access YouTube library, YouTube music library from your phone, and as well download the free music YouTube library inside your smartphone. Without much ado, let us get started. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. So let's get started. Launch into your YouTube dashboard, your YouTube app, and then what you are going to do is at this right corner you will see your logo of your email. Okay, now click on it, and then by the time you click on it you will see all these options. You now scroll down. Okay, so you are going to see YouTube music. So you click on YouTube music, and then it's going to direct you to Google Play, where you are going to install YouTube music. Okay, so this video is going to teach you how to install YouTube music library. So you go to your Play Store like I said before, and then you search for YouTube music. Okay, and then you click on install. So once you click on install, it will start to install. You can see that from this place it is showing the percent. So depending on your network connectivity, it's going to install while I'm still actually waiting. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so it's in 892 now, 97, and it's going to start installing, and it's going to open. So it has installed. Just click on open, and once you click on open, the sign in will be shown. So you say this, let's click on sign in, and it's going to show all the email. So I'm going to click on this mail, and I'm going to click on start free trial. So I'm going to click on let's go, and here these are some videos, some audio. Now I can decide to search for motivational, motivation, and I'm going to search, and this is YouTube music, and this is YouTube library. Okay, so if I click on this, I need to check out. Let me just play. Let me go down. So you can actually download. Okay, and you can make use of it. So this is how to access YouTube Studio and this is how to actually install it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do some other stuff. Remember to subscribe to this channel.